visto un gatto da questa cosa qua. Oh! Nada.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
No, do not come over here, Loki. Do not come over.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games, man.
Yo, you want to see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Loki!
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, doo-da, hope I get... Oh my god! My Shayla! My Shayla! I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's just
If it isn't the consequences of my own actions, you can't have it back.
Get the fuck out of here. Okay, get the fuck out.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No. Ballerina cappuccina. Me, 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 me.
Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala, up for the layup. Oh, blocked by James.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Still don't want it? There you go. Go commit crimes. No, not that one.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, Kitty.
Said evil Kitty.
Bro, look at this! Why can't you be that calm and nice?
Väldigt stor dröm som har gått till och sagt: Robert, kan vi få höra ert stöd?
What the? Chalupa! Chalupa. Oh my god.
You're no better than Dahmer, and you're no better than Dolly Parton. Frosty, are you recording me again? This fucking kid with the camera, I swear he never...
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Hey!
Okay, he did swallow that one, so this is a... Oh, wait. Oh, God.
What do you want? I don't know.
Pet him.
So Jeff loves John.
Sleep. What? Hey, no bite! No biting!
Walter, I heard the brain cells nearby. Yeah, you gotta go get it. It's over there. Go get the brain cell. Go get it.
Peace offering for the gremlin.
Anywhere else. I don't want my face touched. I had acne.
I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
Number 30. Do you know sine 2x over x? Max.
You know, like the kind of doctor who knows your name and makes you feel important. He just remember you. Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something.
What is wrong with these cats? Like the bro, 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 like.
Okay, ma'am, I know you're making biscuits. But what is this doing?
River. Yeah, you don't have to hide back there. I'll cuddle you. Yeah, you like it back there? Yeah, oh my goodness.
Merry Christmas, Gretchen.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
Coffee, Mom. No. No. Oh. Look.
There is nothing funnier to me than when a cat finally discovers the power of its hind legs and completes its pokey evolution from cat to meerkat.
You gotta work with me, okay? You just gotta work with me. Just work with me. Oh my God, my little prince! You're my little prince. Oh my God, you're my little. Oh.
I'm so hungry I could eat Pagagua. Oh my. Oh my.
You gotta get out somehow.
Yo, what did I do? Nothing. Why is everyone mad at me?
Please be nice.
Are you Khajiit? Will you provide wares for me? Present them then. There are no wares.
get you some treats. Hey.
Beth?
How do I tell him without hurting his feelings that is, oh my god, in fact, tearing my skin away from my body? These are thin leggings. Whoa! Holy shit, brother. Holy fucking shit, dude. I love you. Oh my god.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts. Don't do that.
Stop it.
Stop.
To put the finishing touches on this match. Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton. Bring Bud. He's going to deliver sweet. Straight up delivery. You gotta be kidding me. How did he do it? Finishing touches on this match.
FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster.
Lesnar is fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Look at this. Oh my God. Put the finishing touches on this match. Jay can do this. Straight up delivery.
Yo, whose cat is this, bro? I ain't gonna lie, he's showing me a little too much love. I don't even know, buddy. This gotta be Diddy's cat or something. Oh! Round one, I want a fair fade. Damn, they coming in hot. Okay, timeout. No racial slurs this time. Okay, round two. Hey, what is it, buddy? Is that an op? What the hell are you going? You're embarrassing us! This is getting out of hand, bro. I think it's time we get Coco on a diet. Because why is he struggling sitting in the chair? Bro, how? The chair can hold 300 pounds. How long you been out on the streets for? And you think